Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. And today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional pound cake. Everything is, except the vanilla, weighs 1 pound. So very easy, here we go. I've left out the butter at several hours at room temperature so it beats up very good. After it's beaten, then gradually add the sugar. You don't want to add it all at once because it'll clump up. So everything has to be nice and creamy, slowly, a little at a time. And then after that, we're going to clean the sides of the bowl so that the sugar and the butter are mixed up really, really good. So just take your spatula, scrape it down like that, and then mix it again. Now I have the 9 egg yolks. You add it one at a time. And again, you don't want to add it all at once. So you get it mixed up very well. So all 9 are in there. Turn it off, scrape it again to just mix everything well. Sometimes the butter gets stuck over there, or the eggs. And now you add the vanilla. And this gives it a very good flavor. Just mix it up. Now the flour, gradually again, a little at a time. If you put it all in, it'll fly up at your face and it'll clump up. So you want to make sure it's mixed little at a time. Then you scrape the bowl again to make it all well mixed. Now you're ready, turn it off, and now the 9 egg whites, which are also at room temperature because they beat better. And you want it to be stiff peaks like this. It stands up. Now you're ready. So I'm going to turn on the oven to 350, and you got to preheat it when it reaches that temperature. And you get the spray and spray it really good, the pan, so the thing won't stick. Now remove your beater and clean it all off and scrape the bowl and make sure everything's all incorporated. Now you take your 9 egg whites that have been beaten stiff and you fold it over and under to make a lightness of the cake. Now the batter is all mixed and I'm going to pour it into the bundt pan. Okay, now just smooth it all in the pan evenly. And my oven is preheated to 350 and it'll take about 1.25 to 1.5 hours, but I'll check it. Like I said, every oven is different. So here we go. Okay, the cake is done and it actually only took 1 hour. So like I said, you have to keep on watching your things. So now I'm going to put a plate over it. And hopefully it doesn't stick. I've tried to loosen a little bit the edges and the center. So let's see now if we can get this. It's a little bit tricky. Okay. Oh, perfect. Very nice. That's your pound cake. So some people like frosting on it. They like fruits, or you can put strawberries and maybe whipped cream, or you just eat it plain, or when you slice it, then you can garnish it. I'm going to cut a piece so I can try. It's really light and moist and easy to cut. I'm going to taste the pound cake now, but you can see the texture of it and it's very soft. And let's see how it is. Moist, not very sweet, and very light. You'll enjoy it. And I'm glad it came out really nicely because I greased the pan. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure you do so. Mahalo for watching. Thank you. Hello, everybody. Now we're announcing the winner from the Peanut Butter Kisses cookies. And there were a lot of names, so it's all in the wheel. And in a second, I'm going to spin the wheel. And hopefully, one of you is the winner, the lucky winner. Okay? Here we go. Good luck, everyone. It's amazing. Oh, boy. Okay, the winner is Terry Chewbacca Zulu. So, Terry, in order to claim your prize, all you have to do is message me on Facebook or Instagram. Give me your name and your address, and your $20 Amazon gift card will be sent to you right away. Thank you so much. Aloha and Merry Christmas.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold.